Are you on the hunt for a new fireplace for your home? Not only do fireplaces provide a cozy atmosphere, but they can also serve as a beautiful focal point for your living room. And if you want a customizable fireplace that you can tailor to your taste, a zero clearance fireplace may just be the perfect option for you. We've spoken to experts at Regency Fireplace to learn all about the advantages of installing a zero clearance fireplace in your home. So, first things first, what is a zero clearance fireplace? It is a fireplace with its own insulation and it is self-contained, which means it doesn't need to be far away from things that can catch fire in your home. With traditional fireplaces, the minimum amount of space that's needed between the unit and combustible materials is called a standoff, or the clearance to combustibles. But with a zero clearance fireplace, you will not need to worry about that. There are four main benefits to a zero clearance fireplace: easy installation, variety of finishing materials, customization, and efficiency. A zero clearance fireplace is more straightforward to install and has better framing and finishing flexibility, which means you can tailor the design to fit your room instead of the other way around. On top of that, you have many finishes to choose from: wood, wallpaper, marble, virtually any finishing material you'd like. This custom feature allows you to personalize the design to fit your dream room and unique aesthetic. The fireplace is like a blank canvas, ready to make that corner of your room your own with many fun customization options. With a zero clearance fireplace, you have multiple choices of faceplates, interior panels, and more, which you can tailor to your taste. Another bonus is that they don't require a chimney or a hearth and are much more efficient than traditional open masonry fireplaces. Why? Because they use outside air for combustion and don't let the warm air escape the chimney as old-fashioned fireplaces do. So that means not only will you have a beautiful fireplace, but you'll also be saving money on your heating bill while staying warm and cozy at home. So if you're interested in a zero clearance fireplace, visit regency-fire.com. I've linked it in our description bar below. They'll help you find the perfect fireplace and design for your home and walk you through the installation process to ensure that it is done professionally. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you learned a little bit about zero clearance fireplaces, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and visit our website RENO+DECOR for more interior design inspiration like this. I hope to see you in our next video. Bye.